Let's get into skincare. I've partnered up with Frank Body for this one, and I'm starting off with a creamy face cleanser which contains charcoals and helps get rid of impurities. Then I'm using the glow mask, and I love this one because it helps to hydrate and to depuff, and the best part, you only leave it on for 5 minutes. Then I'm sealing it all up with my favorite product, the Everyday Moisturizer. If you've got sensitive dehydrated skin like me, you're gonna like that this product has no additive fragrance. I love how it hydrates my skin without being overly greasy or heavy when I go to sleep, so I use it day to night, and it's been helping to really just soften and even my complexion. For me, skin prep is just as, if not more important than when I do my makeup, because it just sets a good foundation for your makeup. And I do a lip scrub, a body scrub, and then I'm ready to head on into makeup. By the way, you can check out all Frank Body products in the description box and in stores and online at Ulta. Along with the glow mask, I've been loving to add highlighter drops into my BB cream for that extra dew. Next, I'm taking the Beached eyeshadow palette, which I've been loving, and I'm just sweeping a neutral color all over the lids as a base. Then I'm taking a matte orange color with a fluffy brush and sweeping this all over my lids. It's super simple. It's a 3 eyeshadow look. Last but not least, I'm taking Heat Wave, which is just a beautiful copper red shimmery eyeshadow to give it that really warm sunset eyes look. Then I am using the Dolly Wing eyeliner from Japan to do my wing liner, and then I'm applying this Marc Jacobs volumizing mascara. Especially for school, but also just in general, I really prefer a natural brow routine, so I just kind of comb through it and fill in the sparse areas. For me personally, I never thought it was necessary to contour at school. I just always wanted to look bright and alive, so I'm applying a coral blush with this highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury's Filmstar Glow Palette, which really packs a punch. Lastly, I topped it off with this coral lip stain and this coral lip gloss to make myself look even more alive and bright.
She's like, what are you doing to me?